Today we're going to be skating an MRI machine out of the side of a hospital.
You ever feel like somebody watches you?
So we gotta jack it up, put it on skates, pull it out of the side of the building onto our lifting platform, then sit it down on the ground, then rig up the MRI machine off the platform with the crane and pull it over the trailer.
Oh, that's a little hard on both.
Yeah, that's why I brought them 4x. I think the 4x is gonna work.
On this side now, Anthony.
Gotta be tight. Gotta be tight.
Now that we have the MRI machine out, we're flying all the pieces that go with it on all the skids and table that goes into it. And then after we get that done, we have to fly a unit off the roof. Well, the MRI's out. Everything else is out that goes with it. We're wrapping up now. Everything went well today. Off to the next job.